In this video, we'll look at the Auto Discover feature within the Equipment tab in Creator. Note that some of the features shown are only available in SAVI version 3.5, such as discovering LG webOS version 6 displays, as well as incorporating touchpad ones, which are only compatible with SAVI version 3.5 or later. Devices compatible with Creator's Auto Discover are the SAVI STREAM.One, LG webOS commercial signage displays, and the SAVI TOUCHPAD.One. To begin, head to the Equipment tab within Creator, and under the Add Equipment section, click the Auto Discover tab. Before scanning for devices, ensure that the IP range here is set to include subnets you're wanting to discover devices in. I'll go ahead and hit Scan, and we'll start with the STREAM.One example. In this case, I'm using the Auto Discover tool to simply locate new STREAM.Ones with the DHCP address, making it easier for me to set static IPs on them before adding them to my project. As you can see, I've discovered two STREAM.Ones, a 2K and a 4K. If I select one of these, you can see I'm getting a preview of the source that's already plugged into the HDMI input of this STREAM.One, as well as some other stream info below. What I want to do next is simply take note of the DHCP address that's listed here and navigate to it in a new tab to open the STREAM.One's web UI. From there, I can set the static IP in the Network tab and then return to Creator. After setting a static IP on all my STREAM.Ones this way, I can start adding them to the project through the All tab like I would any other equipment, remembering to set unique broadcast channel numbers on each. For info on setting the static IP as well as provisioning the STREAM.Ones, see the related videos in the description below. Next, we'll look at LG webOS displays. Once discovered in a scan, we can easily push the SAVI Canvas app to a large number of displays. The SAVI app must be installed on each webOS display you're intending to use with Canvas. If your version of SAVI doesn't support this feature, see our video on the manual process for downloading the app to a display, which is linked in the description below. That video also covers the linking process, which would be the next step after following the steps in this video. To begin, hit Scan, and any previously undiscovered displays should appear. You can now select all of them and click Install SAVI App. This will begin an automatic process that downloads the app to the display, installs it, reboots the display, and finally generates a 6-digit code, which you can then link to your project via the Canvas Edit page. Keep in mind that once the SAVI app is installed on the display, it will persist there until the display itself is factory reset. Even if the SAVI server is completely wiped or a new project is loaded, the app will always attempt to communicate with the server where the app originated from, based on the server's IP address. The last SAVI device we'll look at is the TOUCHPAD.One. Here we simply use the Auto Discover tool to find touchpads on the network and tell them to begin the provisioning process with your server. For all touchpads that appear after the scan, select them and click Provision Device. Once the code appears on your touchpad, you can proceed to the Canvas Edit page again, and under the Glass tab, link the device to a specific touchpad in your project. Be sure to check out the TOUCHPAD.One provisioning video for more info on this process. This concludes our video on the Auto Discover feature. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more SAVI training videos.